What is going on, guys? My name is Ernie, and thank you for tuning in on a beautiful episode that I'm going to be doing. This is my YouTube channel, iFish Fresh and Salty. And yes, just like what you read in the description, we are going to be making halibut fish fingers, and we're going to be making a CHIP BUTTY as well. So I'm glad you guys are here. This is actually my first time doing a cooking episode. People that actually, my followers, subscribers that actually follow me know that I do my fishing adventures and vlogging and obviously catching cooks. But if you're obviously into just cooking and recipe, I'm actually going to be putting this on my channel. This is my first one, so I'm super excited. I cook all the time for my family. My mom cooks all the time for us as well. So I have pretty cool things coming after you guys. So I'm glad you're in, and let's get to business. So come on you ready? So first thing that we're going to be doing here, on this pan here, I lightly oiled with olive oil the baking sheet here, and I got a little lazy. I usually would peel up my potatoes, but this is the brand Famous Seasoning French fries. So I'm going to go ahead and put them in 425 degrees for about 22 minutes. But like how I said, I would typically peeling my own potatoes and blanching them and season them myself, but this is what's happening time for dinner, so let's go ahead and put it in. There you go, let's let that go. Next, I got some delicious knob hail bread. So we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna be making the slices of bread here. So I am using, once again guys, if you are familiar with my channel, I'm always using Dexter Outdoors knives. I'm using the serrated knife here. And I'm just gonna make them like sandwich. Let it come in closer. I'm gonna be making them sandwich sizes, just like if you were gonna eat a sandwich. Beautiful cuts like that. There we go, beautiful. If you guys are interested, this is actually puglisi bread. I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce it, but puglisi bread is very delicious. I've had it before. Pick it up at my local market at Rayleigh's. So we're gonna go ahead and put these aside over here. And we got our beautiful halibut slices here, guys. Beautiful, good texture, and perfect for the fish fingers that I'm going to be making here for dinner. So I'm gonna get a couple here, just enough so I can get my cutting board nice and full. And then same thing, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna lightly salt this fish here. We're gonna do it both sides. There we go. And we're just gonna make, just like what I said, fish fingers. So I'm gonna go ahead and make them about like that. It's perfect. That's what we want right there. Beautiful, guys, look at that. That's exactly what we're looking for right there. Let me go ahead and finish cutting this up here. After we got them perfect finger size, guys, that's exactly what we want. Beautiful thickness, lightly salted. We're gonna go ahead and put it in our seasoned flour already. I already put Creole seasoning just with white flour. So we're just gonna go ahead and put a couple on here. Don't be afraid to get your hands nice and dirty when you're making delicious food during the summertime. There's a couple there. Just put them on our plate here. Take the excess off. And also too, bring it up here. So pretty much when we have them like this, they are kind of squared. So what you want to do here is is kind of lightly, it gets a little messy, but you're gonna kind of want to roll them back and forth. You kind of want to shave those corners just so when you put it in the pan, it's not gonna be able to burn the end. So I'm gonna be doing this before I go into the next step. After we got these perfectly seasoned, guys, I did mention, like how I said, I did do the seasoned flour already, but this is exactly what I used. So I just used this white flour. That's about it. So that's what's there. Then the next two stations, what I just got panko breadcrumbs, and I'm gonna go ahead and put some dill, some fresh diced dill, and we're just gonna give it some fragrant, just some love to it. Just gonna mix this around. Beautiful, guys, look at that. That's exactly what we want there. Give it some color, give it some love. And we got our egg wash. I got 3 eggs and 1 whole lemon in there just to give it to that aromatic flavor to it. And it looks like we got our French fries ready to rock and roll. Get those in a second here. I'm just gonna be going from this station, egg wash, go ahead and just take it off, a little excess, breadcrumbs, let's do 2 more, beautiful, and beautiful. There you go, guys. Let's go ahead and just shake them on in there, and just sprinkle some love dust. There you go. Beautiful, it's gonna be delicious. Very crunchy, very crispy. We're gonna pan sear these guys, a little bit of oil, and give it a little touch of a little bit of butter when they're about to be done. Beautiful, check this out, Eddie, right there. Look at that, guys. Check that out. Look at that. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this, but you got the beautiful dill, breadcrumb. We'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, guys, I got my pan nice and hot. I'm using peanut oil, just use a little bit amount. So I got the fish fingers ready to rock and roll right over here. So let's go ahead and look at that, beautiful, guys, beautiful crusted with that dill. Go ahead and put them on there. Nice and gentle, just like that. It's not gonna take that long. They're not very thick, perfect size. I would say about 3 to 5 minutes per side, or maybe even less. I'll let you guys know exactly. I don't want to overcrowd my pan. That's a perfect amount. All right, guys, all done. So check that out. Beautiful. Came out delicious, crispy, fragrance, very delicious. So took about 10 minutes to do. And for the Chip Buddy, what we're gonna do, I already did butter some up, but we're gonna go ahead and get a couple more. Just about, room temperature, softened butter. And what you wanna do is just butter one side of the bread, just like that. So let's go ahead and prepare our dish here. So with a couple of fish fingers, we're gonna go ahead and place them perfectly. I'm gonna have about 5. Beautiful, guys, so check that out. And for the Chip Buddy, fries are ready to go. I'm gonna move some over. From the seasoning and the flavor and the oil of we're gonna go ahead, smear both sides, because we're gonna be making that Chip Buddy. Smear both sides, get the flavor. Put it on down. Get some French fries. Like I said, these are the famous seasoned fries. Beautiful. And always not diagonal, just straight down. Nice little slice. Check that out, guys. Get that close up right there. Beautiful. And because this is a comfort food, delicious food here, might as well. Little splash of ketchup. So check that out, guys. Beautiful. Pick it up. Check that out. I'm gonna go ahead and taste this out. I hope you guys enjoy this. I hope you guys try this out, but I'll see you on the table. Let's go ahead and taste out this delicious halibut fish fingers. Dip in with some ketchup. Oh my God. Guys, if you guys haven't had halibut, it's a ridiculous delicacy fish. Oh my God. Unbelievable. The panko breadcrumbs, crispy, crunchy, perfectly pan-seared. The dill, you get that aromatic, and you can get that splash of lemon. Like I said, I did the egg wash with the lemon. So perfect. And check that out. Coming apart just a little bit. That's your CHIP BUTTY. Look at that. Oh man, I can't wait for my family to test this out. Unbelievable. Perfect. Everything came out. I give it a 10 out of 10. This is unbelievable. Everything came out just like how I planned. I'm so excited that I got my first episode out for just cooking. If you guys are just into the cooking, I'm gonna be plenty doing with my mom as well. Hispanic dishes, you name it. We're a family of just cooking, so it's pretty cool. I'm excited to release this and get going on this. But if you're not into my fishing adventures or you haven't even seen them, I have a bunch of videos in my YouTube channel, iFish Fresh and Salty. I hope you guys enjoy the journey, and I'll be doing plenty of these videos. Anyways, I hope you guys like these videos. Give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys on the next one. Later, guys.